Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious and one of the my favorite and unique bitter gourd recipe. Trust me guys, if you make bitter gourd this way, the karela will never taste bitter and it is going to taste 100 times more better than how you cook before, and even it is going to give a tangy and very delicious touch up. So let's get started with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 kg of bitter gourd, made just one cut in between, and I have put all of them in pressure cooker. Added 1.5 teaspoon of salt and approximately 1 liter of water. Now add few whole spices like half teaspoon shahi zira, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 small cardamom or elaichi, 1 small star anise and 2 cloves. Also add in 1 bay leaf or the tezpata, and add in 2 dried red chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and a quarter piece of onion. Now cover it with the lid and cook until one whistle on high flame. After it is cooked for one whistle, allow it to depressurize and take them out onto a plate. Now here you can see they have become well soft. Put them aside and into a grinding jar. Add in 1/4 cup of seedless tamarind, 1 teaspoon of saunf or fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of zira or cumin seeds. Now cover it and grind it into a smooth paste. So here you can see the smooth paste is grinded well. Now add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and give it a good mix. And here you can see the paste or the filling for our karela is just ready. Now what you have to do is just remove the seeds from just boiled karela or bitter gourd into a plate. It will be easily de-seeded after following this procedure. Now using a brush or a small spatula, fill the prepared masala into the bitter gourd. This way you can even use your hands by cleanly washing it. Now this way you need to fill in all the karela or the bitter gourds. This recipe is going to taste very delicious and karela will never taste bitter, and is also too healthy as we are not going to use a lot of oil but just saute them in a little bit of oil. So here you can see I have filled in one of the bitter gourd. Close it this way and all of them is ready. Put them aside and heat a kadai on the stove and add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. As the oil gets heated, place the filled or the stuffed karela and then cover it and cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking it on low flame from one side, now turn it on to other side and cook on low flame for another 3 to 4 minutes until they turn crisp and light golden brown in color. So here you can see they have turned crisp and golden brown in color. Take them out onto a plate and this is just ready. Do try it with dal rice or rasam rice or pulsu rice. If you try this method, you will always love to prepare bitter gourd only this way, and do trust me guys, it is going to give very tangy and very flavorful taste. So do try this recipe and let me know your experiences. See how juicy and how delicious it looks. If you find my recipe interesting, do hit the like button. Also share it with your friends and family members. Who do not love karela. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.